fire. Oh, can get something, you know? Cook flower. Cook flower.
It is a vegetables.
I put here, and
Yeah. And then we will cook something to eat.
Very good.
This is the firewood. You know, this one is the for cooking of the Tarzan. Nice. Huh? And that one is its clothes.
Cook flower.
Making a TikTok. Wow. You know how to make TikTok? You know how to TikTok dance? Wow. But here in Hong Kong, they don't have.
But I don't know if you have TikTok here, can I have internet on here?
What is it? Hello.
Don't think of.
Very nice. Oh.
Oh, it's nice. Oh. Oh.
Hello.
Cook flower. You put your hand under. Look how magic. Yes.
Oh. Why? Cannot catch. Oh.
Cannot see because it's a spider.
Yes. But why if I put my hand, it go away? Oh, like that.
Because the
It's
wind coming.
oh.
Because the wind is coming.
Hmm? It flow. It flow already.
I give you that. Because it's biting you, then fly already.
Yeah. Okay. A lot of big trees over there. We reach already the, huh? I don't know. It's your first time to come here? First time?
Because I just built there only.
Oh.
Because when you find a home.
Oh, you see? All the trees drop because of the typhoon.
And then the bicycle has no walk there.
I don't know, maybe came from the mountain.
And then the pen is no.
Hmm?
I cannot find any place to walk. You see?
Yeah. No, there's a way.
Here. Maybe look here. The bicycle.
Yeah, maybe this way. And then we can walk besides the creek.
There.
This one.
Oh.
But it's sunny.
You know
It's
have,
very
right?
hot. Yeah, have.
You have? Where? I can't
You see this one?
see.
Oh.
You see all is
Oh.
like this.
Yeah.
It's more small, you know.
And then how can we go there? We already reached Taipo. I think.
Moon maybe.
Chunmon? No, this is not.
Okay.
Another way. Maybe this one is Shungshoy. Or Shungshoy or the Palm Spring.
We have the like this color.
Yeah.
We can go there.
Okay.
Huh?
We will.
Farm.
No, we will.
Look,
Yeah, there is a farm.
The rice.
Yes, we will see. Discover the area. Even we are our first time here. We are in the forest. We are look like a capri. We are capri. Ah, very scary the mud. Oh, this is the wildflower. This one they planted from the park. Oh. Very nice flowers. Huh? We saw a very beautiful flower in here. This mountain.